Big money moves are happening in the stock market. Want to know which stocks are set to soar this week? Stay tuned. This could be your next big investment. Markets are heating up as we enter the last week of February. Investors are keeping a close eye on tech, energy, and consumer sectors as key players show strong momentum. Let's dive into the top stocks expected to trend upwards this week. Tesla, TSLA, is making waves again. The EV giant is up 6% this month and is expected to gain more as production expansion plans boost investor confidence. With increasing global demand, analysts predict further upside potential. NVIDIA, NVDA, just hit new highs. The AI chip leader is up 15% this month, and with the growing demand for AI-driven tech, it's a stock to keep an eye on. The recent earnings beat has only added fuel to the fire. Saudi Aramco, 2222.SR, remains strong. Oil prices are stabilizing, and the company's steady dividends make it a solid pick for investors looking for stability and growth. Apple, AAPL, is bouncing back. After a slight dip, the stock is showing recovery signs, with analysts eyeing a potential 5% gain this week. The tech giant's innovation pipeline keeps it a favorite among long-term investors. Which stock are you watching this week? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-potential investment picks.